I'm Nasrullah Bhatti, Associate Professor, posted at Government Arts and Commerce College, Larkana, Sindh. My cell number is 030034333647. The topic I deliver is relevant to first year English compulsory course. Selection from English verse. Poem Sonnet composed upon Westminster Bridge, written by William Wordsworth. Let me explain forms of poetry. There are many forms of poetry such as ballad, blank verse, epic, sonnet, etc. Sonnet is a kind of poem in which there are 14 lines. First 8 lines are called octave, while last 6 lines are called sisted. Sonnet composed upon Westminster Bridge. It is the best sonnet written in English literature, composed by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is the poet who broke the new ground in English literature, particularly in Romanticism. William Wordsworth, his poetry is fraught, replete with pantheism, transcendentalism, spiritualism, mysticism. He is the poet who spiritualizes nature and every natural object. In this sonnet, William Wordsworth eulogizes, admires, adores the beauty of London city. He praises each and every object of London. For example, dunes, fields, rocks, hills, temples, houses, even the calmness of London city appeals to him very much. He idealizes London beauty and feels, realizes, perceives, conceives some sort of divinity in it. He declares that nature is manifestation, demonstration, display of divinity. He is called, and rightly called, devotee of nature. He worships nature in all its forms. He concludes that nature to him is everything, and except nature, he doesn't recognize anything. So, in this way or that way, we can say that he idealizes nature, he spiritualizes nature, and he says that if man does not pay heed to nature, he is deaf and dumb and dull too. So, nature is reflection of Almighty Allah to him. This is a perpetual and eternal appeal of nature to him that is conveyed in this poem to every reader. I may say, and surely I must say, that this fact is also described in the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhatti Rahmatullah Alayh, and none can deny it. It stands to reason, and it is irrefutable in the words of the great poet Shah Abdul Latif, who says, वादत माँ कसरत थी, कसरत वादत कुल, हक हकीकी है कड़ो, बोली बीम भुल, हु हुलाचो हुल, पिया सदे पार दे. Thanks.